Hi there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. This is my 3x7 matrix. I need 4 more people for my second level. There's a possible 9 people total in the second level, which pays $7 per person. So I have 5 people in my second row, my second level. The first level can only have 3 people. I filled that a while ago. Now I need 4 more people for my second level, and the third level has 27 people, so I'm a third of the way there with 9. So last night at 2 in the morning, Kevin signed up, and then Kevin just brought in a person on the third level, Sanders Scott. So congratulations, Kevin, and good job, thank you. But he just signed up at 2 in the morning, and he just signed up a person already, and he just got in the program. So it can grow fast, and sometimes it does, especially when you're getting spill under and spill over. You have people that are below you that are helping and building, getting a lot of referrals, and you have somebody above you, which I do, that is causing spillover in my matrix. So when you get leaders that come in, your matrix can and will grow very fast. So I need to help Michael C get his one other person because he has 2 people underneath him. There's actually 3 people, but he's got 1 in his second level. I want to get him 3 in his first level. And Donald still needs to have 3 people. So if you go back a couple videos on my YouTube channel, you'll see Donald's link and Michael's link if you want to sign up under Michael C, Michael Carlson, or Donald Pedersen. And I can actually sign you up under Kevin and Venus, his wife. I can sign you up under them, or even under Scott Sanders, Sanders Scott. I can sign you up. I have their ID numbers. I can make a link and I can sign you up under them. But whenever you do that, you always want to open a private incognito window and sign up. Otherwise, it's going to have the cookie from me or somebody else, and it's going to show them as the sponsor. So if you open a private tab or an incognito window on your phone or a private tab on your laptop or tablet, it will open to their page and it won't show the cookie. You want to see that person's name, whether it's Kevin, Donald, Michael, or Scott Sanders. You want to see that person's name and ID number in the form where you fill out to sign up under them. But you can see, if I put my finger on Kevin, you'll see, you see the blue fast start bonus. That means the first of the month, usually the first to the third or the fourth. That's when we get paid our commissions. I'll get $25 fast start because you can see that it says sponsor is Michael Jensen and the parent is Michael C. So he fell under Michael Carlson. But it shows that I'm his sponsor. It shows my ID number, and it also shows Kevin and his wife Venus. Their ID number is VH4193. So I need 4 more people in my. I need 4 more direct referrals so that I can help Donald and Michael to have their 3. Michael C already has his. Michael Carlson already has his 2 people, but I need to get him 1 more person. And Donald still needs 3. So if I get 4, those 3 positions will be filled up, and my second level will be filled because there's only 9 people possible in the second level. God bless you. Jesus is Lord. I'm going to close this video because I have pop-ups. I didn't put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Like that. My texts are coming through my phone. So go down in the pinned comment and the video description, and I will give you a link to the playlist I have for this 3x7 matrix, or it may be a website link that goes to a website. or referral link for Michael C., Donald P., or Kevin, or maybe even Scott Sanders. You can see on the bottom it says 9 plus 32 plus 3 equals $44. That does not include all the people in yellow in the blinking one. The one that's blinking is Kevin. He just signed up. Pretty soon it's going to turn yellow when I get that fast start. And all these yellows, once they've been in for a little while, at the end of the month, those will all turn white, and I will get paid the residual income from those. So that total on the bottom is going to change to $68 per month from a $30 program. $30 per month, low cost, lots of benefits, lots of savings. We have travel now that's being hooked up to in the back office. It's not a product, but it's another feature, another benefit, another more icing on the cake. And they're building an ebook library of good quality marketing ebooks in the back office as well. We also have customer only option. So if somebody wants to buy the digital product, which is an autoresponder, and they pay their $30 a month, me as the sales rep, the distributor, I will get $25 a month just as long as they stay as long as they keep the product and they use it every month. I'll still get $25 residual every month just for bringing in a customer, and they're not even in the matrix. They're not even in the compensation plan. They're going to have two separate websites. A customer option, which is $30 a month, and I get $25 every single month from that. Or you can build a team and get $3 from level 1, $7 from level 2 per person per month, and $3 from every person in level 3, and it goes all the way up to level 7. There's 7 levels. It's a 3x7 matrix. 3 meaning every person has 3 underneath them, and then everything else spills underneath them. And it goes 7 levels deep. God bless you. Jesus is Lord, and He's coming soon. I'll talk to you later. Give me a call, 352-286-8014. I will answer any questions you have. If I don't answer, or if my phone's on Do Not Disturb, like right now when I'm making videos and websites and working from my phone, leave a message, speak slowly, say your name, first name, last name, and your phone number. Slowly. Say it twice, please. 352-286-8014. And you can also text me. That's my cell phone number, 352-286-8014. God bless you. Jesus loves you, and so do I. Come to Christ. Get born again. He's coming soon. The King is coming. Thank you. Bye-bye.